This look pretty thick, pretty bubbly. This smells good. It smells like strawberries and cream. Alright, let's see what this is gonna be. It's your boy CJ. Today we hungry today. We eating today. Shout out to our boys at Hero for hooking us up with a good smoothie recipe for detox smoothies and fitness smoothies. So check out the link below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know the deal. Man, we gonna mix it up. We gonna slice these bananas up. We gonna slice these whatever we put in the peanut butter and with the strawberries in it, a little dash or whatever. We gonna mix it up today, y'all. We gonna make it really good. So let's get it. So the first thing we got, it looks like we got almond milk. So you can use pretty much any almond milk that you use personally. I just use the cheap GP, great value version. So just hook it up. It all tastes the same to me. It says you need about a cup of almond milk. And we're gonna shake it up. There we go. Alright. There's some really thick almond milk right here. There we go. Careful, y'all. This is chemistry. Mix this right. Every last drop. Now, alright, so what we got next? We got a cup of strawberries. Now these are frozen strawberries, same thing. Great value. They come in clutch. I can't tell you enough. These some really big strawberries here. These are the big strawberries right here. This is the real deal. Alright, so you're gonna pour this in there. So this is gonna make a big thump. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's stuck to the thing. Got it. Greek yogurt. So the next thing we're gonna need is 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Same thing, y'all. Great value. Y'all know the deal. Walmart. Okay. So we're gonna do 1/4 cup. Ooh, this is even thicker. What? Here we go. About to make a mess today, y'all. I'm making a mess in this kitchen. This is good. Gotta taste it beforehand. Gotta make sure it's right. Y'all know what's up. Next, bananas. All right, so we got a full cup of bananas. Now they said frozen bananas. Now I see the banana is been out. It's been sitting a little bit, so they got flavor. So what we're gonna do is put a cup of bananas in there next. You know, you just gotta be careful with the banana. A single banana. All right, so we're gonna put this in the blender. Ooh, that's a ripe banana. That's a really ripe banana. So this is a 1/2 tablespoon measurement, so I'm about to put 4 of these in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, that's what we put in there. See this powder right here? It can hurt you now. Be careful with the powder. Just a little bit of powder. 2 tablespoons worth of powder. Don't get too crazy, though. Don't get too crazy. 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. So we're gonna put this in there. Mix it all up. 1 and 2. All right, so we got some vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract in there. So we're gonna add a little bit of pizzazz in there. Hey, y'all, if y'all wanna make a mess, hold it over the blender. So make a splash. Bam. This smelling good already. Ooh, man, that smells like a cake. Ooh, it's smelling good. Protein in it. You can't have no smoothie without protein in it. Alright, so what I'm gonna use is a Fruity Pebbles protein here from ISO. So we're gonna use some of this. 25 grams of protein in 1 scoop. And it's only 100 calories. Imagine that. Imagine that, only 100 calories. So we're gonna put this Fruity Pebbles protein powder in there. Voila. It's about to be creamy, boy. Woo. I'm hungry too, let's get it. So we got everything in there, y'all. We got all the ingredients in there. Let's get at it. Don't forget the lid, y'all. Make a mess. So that's on there tight. Put that on smoothie mode. It's time to see what this is tasting like. This looks pretty thick, pretty bubbly. Oh, good. It smells like strawberries and cream. Alright, let's see. That's psych. Yeah, I thought I was gonna drink out of the lid. Nope. Get my cup. Let's see what y'all working with. That's really good. You can taste the strawberry, you can taste the banana in there, you can taste the cream in there, and then you have a little fruity pebble taste in there too. So your protein powder, wherever you choose, add a little dash of that. You can also taste the peanut butter, which is really good. This is CJ approved right here. CJ approved. So delicious, y'all. So delicious. Don't forget to check out our guys at Hero. They make some really dope merchandise, some really nice gymwear. Don't forget to check them out. Get you some products. Go get you some fruit, some milk. Don't get no sugary stuff. Get some really good stuff. I know it's quarantine, but you gotta lose some weight. Okay? You can't order Pizza Hut every day. You gotta have some really good, nutritious, healthy food. Not every day is a cheat day. So check out their merchandise. Check out their smoothies, their detox and fitness smoothies. Really good if you want to lose weight. If you want to find a really good healthy smoothie that's under 500 calories that won't blow your diet. Because remember, not every day is a cheat day. Put down the Pizza Hut, put, the bread and all the pasta and stuff you be eating.